Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Explore. In today's tutorial, we are going to design I4 crankshaft. So let's start. From File, select New, then Part, then click OK. Right click over the front plane and select Normal. Right click again and select center line and draw a center line vertically. Draw a horizontal line from the origin point. Select Circle and draw a circle at the bottom point. Draw another circle at the mid of these points. Select Smart Dimension, and this distance from the origin is 44 millimeter, and the diameter is 72 millimeter. This diameter is 40 millimeter, and the distance from the vertical circle is 52.155 millimeter. Horizontal distance from center is 56.967 millimeter. Select center line and connect the outer edge of the circle to the center and draw an inclined line to the first one. Now select Smart Dimension. The angle between these two lines is 37.3 millimeter. Now select Spline, and from the horizontal outer edge to the circle and one point to the middle, and then another point to the outer edge of the inclined line. The distance from the midpoint of the spline to the horizontal line is 2.714 millimeter. And this point to the vertical line distance is 42.564 millimeter. Now click on the point handle, and the distance parameter is 43.41 millimeter. Similarly, click on the point handle of this side of spline, and distance parameter is 55.3 millimeter. Now control and select the spline and the circle and click on tangent. Then press enter. Click on mirror and select the circle and the spline. Then mirror about the center line. Then click OK. Now click on circle and draw a circle till to the outer edge of the upper circle. Now select trim and trim the extra portions. Then click OK. From features, select extrude. Extrude 15 millimeter. Then click OK. Go to the opposite side. Right click over this plane and select sketch. Select normal to. Select center line and draw a center line from upper point to the bottom point. Then press escape. Select circle and draw a circle at the midpoint of the center line. The diameter of the circle is 72 millimeter. From features, select extrude and extrude 38 millimeter and click on merge result. Then click OK. Now go to the opposite side. Right click over this surface and select sketch. Select normal to. Select circle and put the cursor over the outer edge. Then the center will be shown, and from center draw a circle. The diameter is 54 millimeter. Select extrude and extrude 46 millimeter. Click on merge result and click OK. From reference, select plane and click over this surface and this surface. So a new plane will be created at the middle of this, and then click OK. Select mirror and mirror about this plane. Select the body, then click OK. From reference, select plane again and select this surface and this surface. So a new plane will be created. Then click OK. Select mirror and the plane is selected. Select this body, then click OK. From insert, select features and then go to move copy. Click on this body and go to angle and select 180 degrees. Then click OK. Now from reference, select plane and select this surface and this surface. So a new plane will be created at the middle of this. Then click OK. Then select mirror. Select this body and this body. Then click OK. Press Ctrl and select all of 3 planes. Then right click over the plane and select height. Now rotate the body. Right click over this surface and select sketch. Select normal to. Select circle and put the cursor over the outer edge. Then the center will be shown. From center, draw a circle. The diameter of the circle is 40 millimeter. Then click OK. From features, select extrude and extrude 25 millimeter. Then click OK. Again, right click over this surface and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch. Select circle. Similarly, from center, draw a circle. Diameter is 17 millimeter. Select line and draw a center line vertically. Now select line. Draw a vertical line offset of the center line. Then horizontally connect the center line. Select smart dimension. And this length is 2.5 millimeter. And this length is 2.675962 millimeter. Then click OK. Select mirror and mirror these 2 lines and mirror about the center line. Then click OK. Select trim and trim out the extra portions. Go to features and select extrude. Extrude 38mm and click on merge result. Then click OK. Now rotate the body. From features, select combined. Select the whole body. Click on add. Then click OK. Right click over this surface and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch. From circle, draw a circle at the center point. Draw another circle and select for construction. Now draw a smaller circle over the construction circle. The diameter of the outer circle is 170mm. The construction circle is 135mm. And the diameter of smaller circle is 17mm. Now go to circular sketch pattern. Entities 2 pattern is the smaller circle and the number of entities is 8. And select the circular edge as the center. Then click OK. From features, select extrude. Extrude 20mm. Then click OK. Click on fillet and select this edge, and the fillet expert window will be pop up, and select all of the edges. Press Ctrl and click on these edges to deselect. And the radius is 1.5mm. Click on apply. Then press enter. Go to appearance and select steel. Then click on mate steel. From file, select save. Save as I4 crankshaft.